Hello, I'm Katie with WTI, and are you a content creator? If so, you need this ring light and stand from LUOLED. Now, finding the perfect overhead light and phone stand has been such a challenge, but I have found it with this one. First, what's important is how strong and stable it is. The arms are made from aluminum alloy, so they don't wobble or fall when carrying the weight of the phone. And it also clamps to your desk, giving it the support, which makes it be able to move however you need it to be moved. It's just so versatile, and I love the different angles I can get when filming painting or filming crafts. As if you don't have enough reasons to love it, it also has a ring light. So you can also use it to film yourself or to provide lighting for whatever you are filming. It is just everything I need it to be. It is stable, versatile, and practical. It just hasn't let me down. So now you know, try it for yourself, and that is my point of view.